Dear learners, in this video, we are going to discuss about packaging, marketing, and cost benefit analysis of vermicompost. Packaging of vermicompost. When working with compost, good personal hygiene should be observed. Usage of gloves is must. It may be either cotton or rubber. All works on the processing and packaging of compost should be performed in special clothes using respirator. Washing or dispose of clothes should be carried out when it get dirty. Ensure that the first aid kit is available in all the workstation. Follow safety guidelines for the storing and transporting the compost. Biodegradable packaging which will break down in 3 to 6 months. Use poly bag for compost packaging based on the need. When the compost is without moisture condition, sprinkle water and keep it moist. Store it aerated container in a dark cool place. Do not completely seal it in a bag or container. If you want to put it in the plastic bag, just make sure to add lots of hole in the plastic to allow for the oxygen. Compost should never be stored unprotected outside for any length of time. Rain will wash lot of beneficial nutrient and the sun can dry the material too much as well. So the compost should be stored in moderate places. Exposure to sunlight or drying can reduce the nutrient content and beneficial microbe in the vermicompost. Vermicompost can last 6 months to 1 year depending upon the storage. Vermicompost can be stored for 1 year without loss of its quality if the moisture is maintained up to 40%. It is best to store the compost in a cool, dry place, providing airflow while not letting the material completely dry. If it is too wet, it should be spread out and it let the compost to dry for a while. Marketing of vermicompost. Vermicomposting is directly associated with National Program for Organic Production, which aims to promote the organic fertilizer program in the country. Vermicomposting used as an alternative to chemical fertilizer. A direct sale to user. This mainly includes the farmer group and subdivision in the nearby cities and municipalities. Bulk sale to producers and distributors of organic fertilizer that need vermicast as one of its main components. In addition to local market, enormous export market to the other countries, wholesale customer that include farmers, gardeners, nurseries, landscapers, people with related business, schools, college, private and public. Determine who your potential customer. Vermicompost can appeal to home gardeners, landscapers, organic farmers, nurseries and more. Vermicomposting is directly associated with the National Program for Organic Production, which aims to promote the organic fertilizer program in the country. Highlight the benefits of using vermicompost. Create a professional and user-friendly website or online store where customer can learn about your product to place order. Also use social media platform for the sale. Collaborate with local nurseries, garden centers and agricultural store to stock your vermicompost. Certification is necessary for the marketing of vermicompost. Cost benefit analysis of vermicompost. To initiate the vermicompost unit, the following materials need to be purchased. Earthworm. Purchasing earthworm for the vermicomposting process. Container. Containers or pins for holding the organic waste and earthworm. Infrastructure, shelter or housing for the vermicomposting system. Basic amenities such as water supply and protection from the extreme weather condition. Labor cost, labor required for maintaining the vermicomposting system, including feeding, turning the compost and harvesting the vermicompost. Feedstock, cost of acquiring organic waste material, for example kitchen scraps, yard waste and agricultural residues to feed the earthworm. Utilities, electricity and water cost for the maintaining the system. Thank you for watching.